If you have specific expenses you want to cover with your life insurance, you can follow these steps to determine the appropriate coverage amount. Identify the specific expenses. Make a list of the specific expenses you want your life insurance coverage to address. This could include things like outstanding debts, education costs for your children, medical expenses, or any other financial obligations you want to provide for. Determine the total cost. Calculate the total cost of the specific expenses you listed. This can involve estimating the remaining balances on debts, projecting future education costs, or consulting with professionals to get accurate figures. Be as thorough and detailed as possible to ensure you don't overlook any significant expenses. Account for inflation. Consider the impact of inflation on the expenses you identified. Keep in mind that the cost of living and specific expenses tend to increase over time. Adjust your total cost estimate to account for future inflation, ensuring that your coverage amount is sufficient to meet those future expenses. Evaluate existing resources. Take into account any existing resources you have that can help cover the expenses on your list. This may include savings, investments, other life insurance policies, or assets that can be liquidated. Subtract the value of these resources from the total cost of the expenses to determine the coverage amount you need. Review policy options. Once you have a clear idea of the coverage amount required to cover your specific expenses, research different life insurance policy options. Consider both term life insurance, which provides coverage for a specific period, and permanent life insurance, which offers coverage for your entire life. Evaluate factors such as premiums, policy terms, and any additional benefits or riders offered by the insurance company. Seek professional advice. It's advisable to consult with a licensed insurance agent or financial advisor who specializes in life insurance. They can help you navigate the available options, provide insights on policy features, and ensure that your coverage aligns with your specific needs and goals. By focusing on the specific expenses you want to cover and following these steps, you can select a life insurance policy and coverage amount that addresses your targeted financial obligations. Remember to regularly review and update your life insurance coverage as your circumstances change over time.